Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how China has become so advanced. We'll explore the key factors contributing to its rapid development, from strategic government initiatives to massive investments in technology. You'll learn about the impressive scale of its manufacturing capabilities and the innovative spirit driving its progress. Get ready to understand the multifaceted approach behind China's remarkable rise. A cornerstone of China's advancement is its immense investment in research and development. The nation consistently allocates a significant portion of its GDP to R&D, fostering groundbreaking discoveries. Furthermore, its education system produces millions of highly skilled graduates in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics each year. This robust talent pipeline is crucial for sustaining its technological leadership and driving future innovations across various sectors. China's manufacturing prowess is unparalleled, making it the global factory for countless products. This is supported by an incredible infrastructure network, featuring thousands of kilometers of high-speed rail and some of the world's busiest ports. These logistical advantages enable efficient production and distribution on a massive scale. Coupled with rapid deployment of advanced digital infrastructure, China creates an environment ripe for industrial and technological growth. The digital economy is another area where China truly shines. Mobile payment systems are ubiquitous, processing billions of transactions daily, making cash almost obsolete. Its e-commerce platforms are massive, reaching hundreds of millions of users and driving consumer spending. Furthermore, China is at the forefront of integrating artificial intelligence and big data into everyday applications, from smart cities to personalized services. This innovative spirit fuels a dynamic and rapidly evolving digital landscape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.